हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम गिविंग डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is National Planning Committee. First of all, the idea of planned economy was centralized in 1930 when our national leader came under the influence of socialist philosophy. India 5-year plan were very much impressed by the rapid strides achieved by USSR through 5-year plan. The first attempt to develop a national plan for India came up in 1938. In that year, Congress President Subhash Chandra Bose had set up a national planning committee with Jawaharlal Nehru as its president. However, the report of the committee could not be prepared, and only for the first time in 1948 and 49 some paper come out. Bombay Plan. In 1945, 8 industries of Bombay working together prepared a brief memorandum, a plan of economic development for India. This is known as Bombay Plan. This plan, this plan doubling the per capita income in 15 years and tripling the national income during this period. Nehru did not officially accept the plan. People Plan. People Plan was drafted by M.N. Rai. This plan was for 10-year periods and gave greatest priority to agriculture. Nationalization of all agriculture and production was the main features of this plan. This plan was based on Marxist socialism and drafted by M.N. Rai on behalf of the Indian Federation of Lahore. Gandhian Plan. This plan was drafted by Shriman Narayan, principal of Wardha Commercial College. It emphasized the economic decentralization with primary, primacy to rural development by developing the cottage industries. Sarvodha Plan. Sarvodha Plan in developed in 1950 was drafted by Jay Prakash Narayan. This plan itself was inspired by Gandhian plan and Sarvodha idea of Vinoba Bhave. This plan emphasized on agriculture and a small cottage industry. It also suggested the freedom from foreign technology, planning and development department. In August 1944, the British government set up planning and development department under this change of Planning Advisory Board. In October 1946, a planning advisory board was set up by interim government to review the plan and future projects and make recommendation upon them. Planning Commission. Immediately after the independence in 1947, the Economic Program Committee (EPC) was formed by All India Congress Committee with Nehru as its chairman. This committee was to make a plan to balance private and public partnership and urban and rural economy. In 1948, this committee recommended forming of a planning commission. In March 1950, in, in 1950, the clear objective of the government to promote a rapid rise in the standard of living of the people by efficient exploration of the resources of the country, increase, increasing productions and offering opportunity to all employment in the service of the community. The Planning Commission was set up by resolution of the Government of India as an advisory and specialized institution. Planning Commission was an extra constitutional body charged with responsibility of making assessment of all resources of the country. National Development Council. Government of India could take the initiative to set up the Planning Commission only by provision in the Constitution which made economic and social planning an item in the concrete list. The resolution to set up a planning commission was actually based upon the assumptions that the roots of center-state cooperation should be deeper. Later in 1952, the setting up of the National Development Council was in fact consequences of the provision. Thank you.